Today's house was conceived as a deconstruction of the traditional silhouette of a multi-story Dutch home with a gable roof. With 225 square meters, House Daasdonklaan, designed by the Dutch design office Zone Zuid Architecten, is located in one of the suburbs of Roosendaal. Zone Zuid Architecten not only designed the house, but also created the custom furniture. One example is the intentionally narrow kitchen, which extends into the bay window at the front volume. The kitchen is made of a combination of wood, steel, and concrete, and appears to float above the floor, just like the house, which rises above the ground. The connection with the outdoors is reinforced by a glass strip that divides the volume in two, allowing natural light in and creating spatial depth within the home. The house establishes a strong relationship between the interior and the exterior of the plot. One example is its placement on a raised terrace. This terrace becomes part of the living area, and the opposite is also true. The volumes were shifted in relation to each other, creating an abstraction of the traditional silhouette. In addition to the living room and kitchen, the house includes 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a game room, 2 storage rooms, a partially covered sun terrace, and a swimming pool. Bay windows also enhance integration with the surrounding landscape, projecting outward from the facade.